I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zoom data for other applications. This allows you to leverage valuable insights from your virtual meetings, enhancing productivity and decision-making across your organization. We will cover both manual export methods and the power of Zoom's application programming interface, or API, for automated data flow. Understanding these techniques can transform how you utilize your meeting information, making it more accessible and actionable for various business needs and workflows. You can manually export a wealth of data from your Zoom account with just a few clicks. After a meeting, navigate to your account portal to find detailed reports. These often include participant lists, showing who attended and for how long, sometimes even down to the second. You can also download chat transcripts, polling results, and Q&A sessions, providing rich qualitative data. This information is typically available in CSV format, making it easy to open in spreadsheet applications. For more advanced and automated data integration, Zoom offers a powerful application programming interface, or API. This allows developers to programmatically access and pull data directly from Zoom, eliminating manual steps. You can retrieve information like user activity, meeting schedules, and even real-time webinar data. The API documentation provides clear instructions and examples, enabling you to build custom integrations that perfectly fit your specific application needs, saving significant time and effort. Once you have your Zoom data, either through manual export or API, you can connect it to a vast array of other applications. Imagine feeding meeting attendance into your CRM or analyzing polling results in a business intelligence dashboard. Many third-party integration platforms can help bridge the gap between Zoom and hundreds of other tools, from project management to marketing automation. This connectivity transforms raw meeting data into actionable intelligence, driving better decisions and more efficient operations across your entire organization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.